Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video episode I'm back with another video on how to activate Netspend card. To learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser, go to netspend.com, press enter, and after the page loads simply go to the top right corner of the screen right next to the audio card. You'll be able to see a button where it says activate card. Click it on and all you have to do on the next page is to enter your card information to get started and activate your new Netspend card. In the text box where it says card number, enter your 16-digit number on your card. Once you do that, head over to the security code text box and type in the 3-digit number at the back of your card and click on continue. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to activate the card that you would like to use for your Netspend, and you'll receive a confirmation that your card has been activated. That is how you can easily activate your Netspend card. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.